Hi friends, welcome to Tasty Feast Magic. Today, let's make delicious and crispy bhindi fry recipe. First, wash and clean the bhindis well. Pat them dry using a cotton towel or kitchen tissue. Now slit each bhindi in the middle. Next, add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, little turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, add salt as per taste. Mix everything nicely so that the masala coats the bhindis well. Now heat some oil in a pan. Cover the lid and let the bhindis cook for a while on low flame. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upcoming video. Once the bhindis are cooked and look nice and crispy, garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. And that's it. Your delicious and crispy bhindi fry is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy. Also, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me. Please check the ingredients and method of preparation in the description box. You can connect me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.